Now for our Bite of the Week, we're changing things up a bit this evening. We're replacing the bite with two history-making moments at this week's Asa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships, courtesy of Kingston College's Bouwahjgie Nkrumie and Heidel's Alana Reid.
Fight start by Bouwahjgie and Nkrumie. Daly and Benjamin are chasing relentlessly. Nkrumie steps on the accelerator, goes away in grand style. It's a great performance. 997. Wow, we have... Alexis James of Petersfield gives chase, but Alana Reid steps away from the pack, decimates the opposition. Stunning performance, 10.90. The flash time, historic, sumptuous. New champs record, new lifetime best. A 22-year-old record has been smashed